Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to clear ChatGPT's memory. So here I just asked my name and ChatGPT was able to give a name. So the reason is because this particular name thing is stored in the memory. So let's see how we can erase this. So for doing this, to the rightmost top you are having the profile icon. Select here and click on settings, and here select personalization, and under memory we are having reference saved memories. In case if you don't want ChatGPT to store any of the memories, you can just off this feature, but in case if you want to remove any specific information, click on manage memories. And as you can see here, it's having these three memories about me and this is the name. So that's how it was able to give the name. And in case if you want to delete individual memory, here you are having the remove icon. So I will just remove this and that's it, that will be deleted. And in case if you want to delete all the information, just select delete all and clear memory. Now everything has been cleared. And if I go to a new chat and ask what is my name, this time it won't be able to give the name because we have just cleared the memory. That's the video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.